Students, today we are going to start with the exercise NCERT exercise questions of chapter 2. Chapter 1 was related till Gauss theorem, and in chapter 2 the questions of potential and capacitances will appear. So completing chapter 1 and 2 means unit first will be completed. So our chapter first is already taken. Chapter 2 let us start with. Question number 1 is that we are given two charges. The values you can read from here. They are located 16 centimeter apart, and question is at what point on the line joining the two charges electric potential is 0. Now this type of question we have already done for the electric field. That means between two charges where the electric field will be 0. We handled that electric field quantity in different manner because that was a vector quantity, and now this question is about potential or voltage, and that is a scalar quantity. So let us understand the procedure that how to handle a scalar quantity. So the diagram always helps us to understand the situation. So Q1 and Q2, that means 5 into 10 raised to power minus 8 Q1 and minus 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8 is Q2. They are at a distance 16 centimeter. We will always write in meter the value in the diagram itself. Now we have to find the point on the line joining the two charges where the net potential due to both the charges is 0. So we need to take some point somewhere on the line joining. So it may also happen that the charge is to be taken in between the charges or on the line joining outside the charges. So it is not clear in the question that it is not written that in between the charges. So we will take both the points. We will find both the points. So let us start with the first point. Suppose between A and B, at point O somewhere, it is not the midpoint, at point O somewhere the net potential is 0. So suppose from A to O the distance is x. So from O to B the distance will become 0.16 minus x. So just now think only about O point, don't think about O dash. We are solving for O point. Now the potential formula due to single charge is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r or kq by r. Now it is told in the question that the net voltage here is 0. So firstly we will find the net voltage and then we will equate it to 0. So firstly, because two charges are given, so each of the charge will produce voltage here. Voltage due to first charge here will be k q1 by distance is x. So k is common, k taken, q1 is 5 into 10 raised to power minus 8 upon distance is x. So this is kq by distance. So this is the voltage formed by first charge. Now voltage formed by second charge here. So voltage formed by q2 charge. So k q2 upon this distance. This distance is 0.16 minus x. So k means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Q means this q is negative. So minus 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8 value we have to use upon the distance. The distance is remaining distance. So 0.16 minus x. Now this is the total voltage obtained at point O, but in the question it is written that total voltage should be 0 at that point. So total voltage we have to equate to 0. Now you can see that because it is minus sign, we can shift it to a equal sign there. So finally this term and this term we can equate. So 5 into 10 raised to power minus 8 upon x equal to 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8 upon 0.16 minus x. Now our target is to solve this x. So similar terms cancelled, cross multiply, and finally you will see that X answer is obtained as 0.1 meter or 10 centimeter. That means if this is 16 centimeter distance, then at 10 centimeter from A charge, the net voltage will be 0 in between the charges. Now the way in which we have solved for O point, in the same manner we have to take one more point outside the charges. It can be on any one side of the charge. That is sufficient to solve. So suppose O dash point is taken now at Y distance from first charge. So what should be O dash distance from second charge? Firstly find out that. So we have to always find the point distance from both the charges. So point distance from first charge is Y and from second charge is 0.16 plus Y. Okay. Now here net voltage we will find and we have to equate it to 0. So net voltage will be found by KQ1 upon first distance plus KQ2 upon second distance. So K is out, Q1 upon first distance Y, this distance from Q1 to the point, and second KQ2 upon second distance. So KQ2 is negative, minus 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8, that's why this minus sign is appearing. And second distance is 0.16 plus Y, this is substituted here. Now this net voltage we have to equate to 0 according to the question given. Now we have to solve Y. So what you do, shift it to that side, equal sign, cancel the similar terms, cross multiply and get the answer. So Y answer is obtained now 40 centimeter. So from this charge at 40 centimeter, the net voltage on the line joining will be 0. So you must have understood here that we have not talked here about any of the direction, because we are talking about voltage and voltage is a scalar quantity. And whenever we talk about scalar quantities, we deal with the scalar quantities, we have to use the sign of the charge also in the calculations. So we have used this sign negative also in the calculations. It was not the case in case of the electric field. There we only found the directions. We did not use any of the sign of the charge. So this way we solve the voltage questions.